Hi guys, hope you're all well. Today we're going to have a little look at maths and we're going to go over addition because a few parents have asked how do we teach addition at paddocks and reception, so we're going to go over some of the methods that we use to help you. We're going to try and sort of aim it around where you left off and go over some of the concrete methods that we've used before to help support you at home. So you'll need a pen, some paper, and then maybe some counters, some bits of Lego, but you can go and get those ready for when you want to do this video. So let's get started. So the first thing we need to talk about before we actually try and do any adding is the symbols that we use when we are adding. So by now your child should know that this symbol here means plus. Now that can be plus, add, or we might say all together. So it's this idea that we are putting two numbers together to make a bigger one. So when we add, the numbers get bigger. And then your child should know that this symbol here is equals, which goes at the end of a number sentence, and that's where the answer goes after. So this symbol, our add, our all together, our total of, is how we put two numbers together. Our equals is what goes before the answer in the number sentence. Okay, so if we were going to practice adding, the first method I would try and use with your child would be a concrete method. So we would start off nice and easy with a number sentence, and we would practice reading the number sentence just to try and understand what that sentence was asking us to do. So if we start off with 3 plus 4 equals, okay? So we can read the number sentence together again. So we've got 3 plus 4 equals. Now what we need to do, we need to think about what is our number sentence asking us to do. It's asking us to put 3 and 4 together, and we know it's asking us to put the numbers together because we've got the plus symbol or the add symbol. So I'm going to get 3 of my cubes. Again, if you've got Lego or counters at home, you can use those. So I've got my 3 here, and then I've got some yellow counters, so I'm going to get 4 of those. So now this is concrete because we are using physical objects and we're moving them around. So I have got my 3 brown cubes and I've got my 4 yellow cubes. So we've got the 3 and we've got the 4. Now we simply need to get them and we need to put them together because that's what the add is telling us to do. I'm going to get them, I'm going to put them together, and I'm going to move them over here. Now I need to look at how many I've got when they're all together. So I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know that my 3 brown cubes plus my 4 yellow cubes makes 7 all together. Okay, so what I want you to try at home now is I'm going to write a number sentence down. It's going to be an add. I want you to practice reading the number sentence, and then I want you to pause the video and I want you to try and work the answer out. And then once you've done that, I'll press play and I will work out the answer with you and you can see if you've got it right. So the next one we're going to try is going to be this number sentence. Okay, so have a little look at the number sentence, have a read. I'm going to point to it, but I'm not going to read it, so it's your turn to read now. So we've got right, I want you to pause the video now and I want you to try and work that out for me. Hopefully you pause the video and you've had a go at finding out the answer. I'm going to work out the answer with you now and we are going to see what we get. So my number sentence is 5 plus 6 equals. So remember that plus means we're adding them together and that our number is going to get bigger. So I'm going to get 5 brown cubes. So that's 3, 4, 5. Just check that I've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. And now I need to get 6 of my yellow ones. So there's 2 there, there's another 2. And then there's another 2. Let's make sure I've got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have. So I've got my 5 brown cubes plus my 6 yellow cubes. I'm going to do the same as I did before. I'm going to move them across. And now, because we are adding, I'm going to count them all together. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm going to draw my 11 after my equal sign. And there we go. 5 plus 6 makes 11. So if you got that right, well done. But that is how we teach our concrete addition to begin with at Paddocks for Reception. So have a go. Maybe get someone in your house to write down some more number sentences and see if you can put those different groups of objects together, counters, Lego, bits of pasta, whatever you can find. See if you can add them together to find out the answers. And remember, if you do really well, send me a picture because I'd love to see it. So that is concrete addition, and next time we might try something a little bit trickier. So well done guys, and I can't wait to see what you've been practicing. Bye.